Welcome to alittlementalwithmike.com. My name is Mike Pierce. Welcome to my world. Today, we are going to do a simple unboxing and run through of my new toaster, which is a Cuisinart 4-slice stainless steel toaster. It's April 2022. I got it at Walmart in Grants Pass, Oregon for $49. So let's get started. First thing you find, the instruction booklet. And also a register your product thing, which is lovely, but does anybody really register a toaster? Probably not. They might. So anyways, there you go. Next we've got some packaging. And here's the toaster. All right, so a quick rundown. We've got your darkness dial for both sides. We've got cancel buttons for both sides. When you hit cancel, it pops the toast up. We've got the bagel button for both sides. When you use the bagel button, only the outside coils turn on. That way you don't toast both sides of the bagel. And these little levers go up a little extra to help you get the bread out if it's kind of short. And there are crumb trays that come out the back. You can take them all the way out if you wanted. There you go. Like I said, it's kind of cool. It's got a little thing on the bottom. You can coil the cord if you want to do such things. It looks nice. It feels pretty solid. $49 is not exactly cheap, but I wanted to get a decent one, and I wanted one that looked nice. I realize this kitchen isn't great yet, but hopefully it will be eventually, and I want a toaster that looks nice. So there you go. Hopefully it works out nice. I may do a review of it later if it turns out to be especially great or terrible, but for now it's just a toaster. So have a great day, and if you get a chance, go up to littlementalwithmike.com and check out the website. I put recipes up there and pictures and plans and all kinds of things over time, so there should be lots of interesting stuff up there from time to time. So thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.